Hey all, welcome back to my channel. This is Palak, and today we are diving into luxury style bags haul from Hot Sauce. All the bags I'm going to show you today are premium luxury kind of vibes, but at affordable price. So let's get into the haul. First, I want to show you this beauty behind my back. This is my white bag with this pretty silver metal handle that makes it so classy. You can see the shape of this bag is making it effortlessly elegant. Leather quality of this bag is so premium. It comes with this strap. Attach this strap over here and just carry it like that, you know. I got this one 2 years back, and trust me, it's still that pretty. I have styled this many times because this is white in color. It goes with each and every outfit. I have styled it with a pink dress, and you can see on your screen it just elevated the whole look instantly. Very aesthetic, classy kind of bag. I am just obsessed with this one. If you're liking this haul till now, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and you can check all the bags link in the description box. So I recently got 3 more bags from Hot Sauce. So let's unbox together and let's see if the quality of those are good as this one. Here we go. I'm so excited to show you. Usually when a package arrives, I open it instantly because I can't, wait till I will make the video and get ready to make the video. But this time I haven't even unboxed them. This is the first time I'm unboxing on screen. Like, I am a bag paglu, like literal bag paglu. So I never wait when a bag package arrives, but this time I did because I wanted to open it in front of you guys. So let's unbox. मुझसे और wait नहीं हो रहा. Okay, so next we have this black handbag. Are you ready? Ulta, sorry. Ta-da! Oh my god, look at the golden detailing. Look at the leather quality. And you can see how luxurious and premium this bag is looking. This gold detailing. Wow. This is that one bag you can literally carry anywhere, to the college, meeting, casual outing. There is a huge space in this. You can literally fit so many things inside this. And it's black in color, so you can even style it with ethnic outfits. Like literally everything. Western, Indo-Western, traditional. Because it's classic black bag. You have this string that you can attach here and make it a sling bag. I personally carry bags like this because I think carrying like this is way more classy. But when I am traveling, I put the string on because then it's more easy to carry the bag. This much space. This is the one pocket. So next, coming the most unique piece of this haul, you will see the bag and you will literally say, yeah, it's unique. Let's see it together for the first time. Oh my god! Look at the shape of this bag. This bag was in my cart for so long and I finally purchased it. So this one is in emerald green, as you can see, but there is one more color available on the app. You can see on Hot Sauce app, you can find this color. It's light pink kind of. I wanted it to be green because green isn't trending right now and it's more classy, I guess. Yeah, one more thing, I got green watch from Hot Sauce. So I will show you those watches in the end of the haul. So don't skip and watch the full haul till the end. This circular handle will instantly make it stand out. You already know it's not your basic bag, it's a statement piece. Like if you're wearing a black dress and not even adding a single piece of jewelry with the dress, and just carry this bag is enough to stand out with the simple look. This is from the inside. This finish gives that proper designer feel. If you want something different that makes people go, where did you get this from? Girl, this is the one. Lastly, we have this cute handbag with the pouch and it's an ivory white color. Let's unbox. This is the bag.
Oh my god! Wow!
It's proper that kind of bag जो आजकल trending में है. This one is just so cute and elegant. You know what? It's perfect for those days when you don't want to carry a big bag, but you want to carry your essentials like your cash card, lip gloss, power bank, charger, sunglasses. So it's perfect for those days. Like, look, it's not too small like the miniature bags you see these days, but it's not too big, like it's not even that big, but it's like a proper purse that you can carry so many essentials or things inside that. And the detail over here, the way it opens is so luxury. See the quality of this leather, so premium. Let's open it. Yeah, I knew it will come with a string, obviously. I think all the bags have string, unless this one, because obviously this is a statement bag, you have to carry it like this only. And this one is the cutest one. I think it will look cute with the string also, because as I have told you, I don't prefer carrying with the string unless if I'm traveling. Little ASMR, so you get this much space inside. And yes, this one comes with a pouch. Let me show you this. It's like this. It's the bag and here is the pouch. You can put things inside this and then this, and it's like this. So it's a bag with a pouch. And I'm totally obsessed with the idea. Since it's white, it literally goes with any outfit. Look at this. This is so cute. And this is the watch I was talking about earlier. Like, green isn't trending. So this is in green and golden mix. Look at this. How premium it's looking, right? And it's so affordable. And the second watch is this. It's mixture of golden and white. You know, it's quite heavy and giving that luxury feel. This white detailing and the white, and how the white color is going with the golden. Obsessed. It's looking so pretty, right? Honestly, every single bag has its own uniqueness in it. I am very, very happy with my choice because each and every bag you can see over here is a complete statement piece. Like this video and hit the subscribe button. Link in the description box. Go grab your favorite. Bye.